Mix castor oil with baking soda, and something incredible happens. It's natural, it's powerful, and best of all, it's backed by decades of traditional use. Doctors may not always talk about it, but when they see the results, they're speechless. Today, we're revealing an old remedy making a major comeback, especially for seniors who want to fight pain, inflammation, and skin issues naturally. Section 1: The Forgotten Power of Castor Oil. Castor oil has been used for thousands of years. From ancient Egypt to traditional Chinese medicine, it comes from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant and is rich in a fatty acid called ricinoleic acid, known for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and circulation-boosting properties. Castor plants, vintage medicine bottles, castor oil being applied to skin. For seniors, castor oil offers natural support for arthritis and joint stiffness, digestive sluggishness, swollen ankles or varicose veins, thinning skin and dryness, even liver detox support. But wait, it gets better when you add baking soda. Section 2: Why baking soda? Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, doesn't just belong in your kitchen. It's a natural pH balancer, gentle exfoliator, and powerful detoxifier. When combined with castor oil, it creates a synergistic blend that can draw toxins out through the skin, calm inflammation, improve circulation, soften rough patches, even reduce age spots over time. Skin diagrams, detox pathways, castor oil, and baking soda forming a paste. Section 3: What happens when you mix them? Mixing castor oil with baking soda creates a simple, slightly gritty paste. It may look like nothing special, but try applying it to sore joints, swollen feet, or dry skin, and the difference is often immediate. Here's how it works. Castor oil penetrates deeply, carrying nutrients and stimulating lymphatic flow. Baking soda opens the pores and neutralizes acids, making it easier for the body to release toxins. Together, they offer powerful relief that some seniors say works better than over-the-counter creams. Section 4: How to make the remedy at home. You don't need a lab or a pharmacy, just two things. 2 tablespoons of organic, cold-pressed castor oil, 1 tablespoon of aluminum-free baking soda. Mix well until it forms a thick paste. You can adjust the ratio depending on your needs: thicker for a compress, thinner for a rub. To use: apply to the affected area, knees, elbows, lower back, etc. Cover with a clean cloth or gauze. Leave on for 30–60 minutes or overnight for deeper relief. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week. Section 5: Who should try this? This remedy may be especially helpful for seniors dealing with arthritis, sciatica, muscle cramps, poor circulation in legs or feet, dry, cracked skin, bruising or thin skin on arms. It's also used by natural healers for liver packs, applying the mixture to the abdomen to promote detox and better digestion. Section 6: Warnings and considerations. While this remedy is natural, it's not for everyone. Avoid if you have open wounds or broken skin, are allergic to castor oil or baking soda, have certain kidney or liver conditions. Check with your doctor. Always do a patch test first. Natural doesn't mean risk-free, especially for sensitive skin. Section 7: What people are saying. Anna, 74, says it helped her walk more comfortably after years of stiff knees. George, 68, uses it on his hands for arthritis and notices the pain is less angry the next day. Even some physical therapists have started recommending castor oil packs again because they're affordable, easy, and they work. Section 8: Final thoughts. You don't need expensive creams or harsh chemicals to feel better in your body. Sometimes, the most powerful remedies come straight from nature, and our grandparents knew them well. Castor oil and baking soda may be simple, but they offer real relief. And for many seniors, they've become a game changer. Try it, feel it, and see why so many people are saying this old remedy really works. Outro music swells gently. Visuals of happy seniors, natural healing imagery. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share with someone you love, and subscribe for more natural health wisdom made especially for seniors.